Mubango wa gwaka barabara ya kuma Rironi guthii nginya Summit uronekana uri mubango-ini wa thirikari, na riu mihango ya waki wayo yaya kwanjiriria matuko-ini maica ikuhi. Oroyo uraumanire na mucemanio uria uratafanirio ni Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua na barothi wa Faranja guku Kenya Arnaud Suquet. Atongoria ya eri makiuga ati ino ni tabarira ya bata hari kuhingura wonjoria wa gitaro kia ithwiro ria bururi.
Rironi Summit road. I've talked to the Minister of Transport this morning ahead of your visit, and he has assured me that the project is on course, and whatever issues that need to be unlocked, that is going on, and we'll be able to report progress as we go on. Otherwise, we are grateful, and we look forward to further and continuous engagement.
Gachagua augite ati thirikari ni guthii na mbere na miario na nyiti itemi matiganite niguo gutigirira tabarira ino ni yakinyanira hatari na ihingica.
Our new administration would like to have more and more consultation with you and your government, so that we continue building the relations between the two countries.
Na gukorwo Kenya ni kuwete uritu munene wa kiwonjoria thiini wa gitaro kia Afrika irathiro, mabitha ngathi ya iguru thirikari ni ya Faranja ni magakorwo na mucemanio wa kiwonjoria mweri ukite guku Kenya, na igiri-ini ria kumatia ngwataniro ya mabũrũri maya meri. President William Ruto ni anyititwo ugeni ni murunawe wa Faranja Emmanuel Macron.
President Macron has extended the invitation to His Excellency President Ruto to Paris. We're still waiting for confirmation response from his office.
What the new administration has done is to lessen bureaucracy and red tape and make it easy for our friends to do business in this country. So we are going to prepare properly for the visit by your trade minister.
Mwaka wa 2021 Kenya ni yendeirie Faranja indo citiganite cia muigano wa ciringi bilioni 11.3, nayo Faranja ikienderia Kenya indo cia muigano wa ciringi bilioni 25.4.
What I see, and I want to get your advice, is that this investment in trade aspect is key, strategic, if we want to push our relation further. So I think that's what I want to emphasize, and I will always be looking for your advice.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari ya Faranja ni iranire uteithio wa ciringi milioni 135 cia kuhurana na ng'aragu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngunjiri.